Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial on for loops, right? Which are iterators. Now I want to give a brief description about what are iterators and iterables, right? So let's say I define an list here, right, which I call as list one equals to, and I'll put apple, I'll put orange, I'll put sorry, and then maybe jackfruit, right? So this is a list. Okay, this is a list. So this is a list, and we want to iterate over the list. So this list is considered an iterable. Okay, and iterators are something which are basically iterating over an iterable. For example, if I write something like for item in list 1 print item, right? So if I run this, it's gonna give me apple, orange, and jackfruit as individual items because it's iterating through this list. It's iterating through this items in the list and printing each of the items, right? So now that I hope you got the concept of how to iterate through the list, and there's another way to iterate through the list, right? So instead of just iterating through the items in the list, what we can do is for index in range of length of list, right? Print index. So it will give me the index of 0, 1, and 2 because there are three items. Now we want the values at those indexes, right? So what we are going to write is list 1 of index. That's how you call an item through square braces. List 1 square braces index, right? So these are two ways you can iterate through a list. Now let's take an example of a dictionary, right? So for a dictionary, let's define one. Dict1 equal to, let's say 1 is apple, 2 is orange, 3 is pineapple. Okay, now to iterate to that, you have to define for you can there are key and value pairs as you see in the dictionary, right? So for key value pairs, you either want to iterate through the keys or you want to iterate through the values. Let's say I want to iterate through the values first. So for items in dict1 dot values print item, right? So it's gonna give me this. Instead, if I want to print the keys, right? Sorry, keys. That's gonna give me 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So if even if you change this to something called like uh, fruit 1 and run this, it's gonna give all the keys of that dictionary. So I hope going over the example of list as well as dictionary, you got a fair idea of the for loop. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not done so, and thanks for watching this video.